For number 2, identify the sentence with the correct usage. According to Erickson, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan magkamali, basta importante makapasa. Kaya nga tayo nagre-review, okay? It's important that you review, you prepare. That's why you are preparing, because you are right after being confident on getting the correct answer. Okay? Wilbert C. Identify the sentence with the correct usage, ha? Letter A. Please do not lose your ID card. Letter B. The team suffered a huge lose. C. The dog's collar is too loose. D. We lost the game yesterday. Oh, parang ang bilis matuto nitong mga batang to. Mga bata, I love our viewers. Mabilis makapick up. Wilbert, Donessa, Aram, Cruzel, CG, Raifa, Riami, Shala, Belen, Minerva, Jinky, Carmela. C. Glenn, YX. C pala ang sabi ni Glenn. Josephine C. Roby, Noel, Catalea, Lou Nova. Oh, Lou Nova is here. Hi, good evening. Josephine, Roby, Noel, Cyrus, Annalie. Rhea is here. Hi, Rhea. Good evening. Shirley, Ariel, Joy, Erickson. How about the others? Andre, Ashley, and Maria. It's raining C's in our comment section. Angel, same C. Good job. Roel Kandar, Siba. Jessa, C as well. So for number 2, you have to identify the sentence with the correct usage, ha? Usage of the word. A, please do not lose your ID card. Good eve, coach. Na late ako. Ha ha ha. Yeah, 7, do not be late next time. B, the team suffered a huge lose. C, the dog's collar is too loose. D, we lost the game yesterday. Okay, parang pare-pareho naman. Because perhaps we were able to discuss it a while ago in number 1, and you tend to understand it right away. Okay, hindi na ako makikipag argue. Definitely, the correct answer is ayan. Could you please try to justify, explain why is it the correct answer? Why letter C is the correct answer? A while ago, we talked about that when we say loose, no? Not tight nga. Maluwag, not firmly attached. So, definitely the correct sentence is yung collar, di ba? It refers to the collar, which is the one being loose. Then, why is it that letter A is incorrect? Di ba? Hindi kasi siya when say, please do not lose your ID card. Maluwag, di ba? Hindi siya mawalan. It should be mawalan eh. Next, it should be what? For letter A, for choice letter A, your letter A, which is the appropriate word for that? With letter A. Instead of saying loose, ano dapat? Come on, could you please type in our chat box kung really na-absorb our explanation in number 1? Loss instead of lose? Bakit loss kasi? Again, do not forget, yung lost, that is the past tense of lose. Past tense siya. And it is yung letter A. It should be not lost. It's not lost. Please do not lost your ID card. Okay, very good, Aram. Diba? I told you a while ago when you say lost, that's the past tense of lose. Very good, Delisa. Huwag kakalimutan, ha? How about yung letter B? The team suffered a huge lose. Letter B, ito sinagot na tayo ni Aram. Aram, thank you, ha? Sabi ni Aram and Citadel, yung letter B, coach, it should be loss. The team suffered a huge loss. Okay. Kasi yung lose dito, it functions as a verb. Which supposedly, ano dapat ang hinahanap natin? The team suffered a huge loss for letter B, noun, right? Then yung letter D, we lost the game yesterday. You are also correct, di ba? Kasi look at the indicator. Why naka-past participle yung past tense form of the verb yung letter D? We lost the game yesterday. Because of your time indicator, yesterday, nangyari na. Kaya nakapas siya. Okay? Please do not forget that, ha? Next. If you have your paper, do not forget when we say lose, L-O-S-E, verb siya. Mawalan ang ibig sabihin. Ang lost naman, past tense ng verb na lose. Yung L-O-S-T, that's past tense, no, of the word lose, ibig sabihin, nawalan. Past na nawalan na. Yung lost naman, it's a noun which means pagkawala. Yung lost naman ng adjective, that's maluag. Okay? Next. I hope we are clear with this one, ha? Lose, loss, and lost. Okay?